Wait, fucking bands, yeah, I bought a new bike. Got the spoke rims, never thought twice. I ain't dissing Benzies cause of the price. I got the bike cause it's personal paradise. Life's a gamble, yeah, I love rolling the fucking dice. Break a leg, break an arm and I'm back on the bike. Moving through the game way too swiftly. If you want me, boy, yeah, come get me. Only ride for 50s. Love women with big old bitties. Change the oil like I'll be jiffy. But first, let me get a twisty. On my bike, do it every day and night. Had a dream last night that I got to ride my bike my whole life. Woke up this morning, said, this tight shit. I'ma ride till I'm dead. You already know 2 wheels my shit. I'ma ride till I'm dead. You already know 2 wheels my shit. I'ma ride till I'm dead. You already know 2 wheels my shit. I'ma ride till I'm dead. You already know 2 wheels my shit. Y'all wanna know why I ride red? Why? Motherfucker, if you gotta ask, you ain't need to know why. Don't know, you don't need to know, enough said. I'm the G-est rider, laced up, fly threads. 7 dose, hit you with the G-mix. About to take off on my bike like a G6. Whoa, I'm blowing up, I'm doing that shit so quick. Heat 1, yeah, drop the gate, I'm about to take off on this. First race, I'm on pace, let's go
scope it out, bro.
Tank 7 toe, about to hit you with the blitz. Wouldn't be surprised if your whole tank quits. Y'all already know we got the place to make a win. Got the opportunity and boy, I'm making bands. Feeling like the man, I'm sticking to the plane. Yeah. I'ma ride till I'm dead. You already know 2 wheels my shit. I'ma ride till I'm dead. You already know 2 wheels my shit. I'ma ride till I'm dead. You already know 2 wheels my shit. I'ma ride till I'm dead. You already know 2 wheels my shit. I am the privateer of life. Never would've thought I had a rap to ride, but I'll do whatever it takes to get my ass to the race. I am the privateer of life. Never would've thought I had a rap to ride, but I'll do whatever it takes to get my ass to the race. I am the privateer of life. Never would've thought I had a rap to ride, but I'll do whatever it takes to get my ass to the race. I'ma ride till I'm dead. You already know 2 wheels my shit. I'ma ride till I'm dead. You already know 2 wheels my shit. I'ma ride till I'm dead. You already know 2 wheels my shit.